My name is Ashish Mishra, and I've got about 10 years of experience with me. I come from a consulting background, and Pushkar has already spoken really well on analytics, use of data sciences in banking and all that stuff. I am an independent data science professional now, and why I'm telling you about my background is that that background would also tell you that how the world has transitioned. So Pushkar has actually spoken a lot on that. He has almost covered everything. He has not left as such anything unturned, to be honest. What I would like to talk about is that as a consultant, my job is to solve business problems, right? And I use data for that. I use data science techniques for that, and I deliver an outcome to the client, right? So one of the things, which I would like to begin with is that if I talk about my experience from where I started, so just to talk about my experience, I hold a master's degree in economics, a bachelor's in economics, and a business administration program I studied. Now, if I, take you back to 2005, when I was a young graduate, nobody knew what analytics was. In fact, I tried to search this keyword, on Google, that what is analytics, so it used to give me a definition of Google Analytics. Perhaps Pushkar would agree on that, right? But now if you see that analytics has been given a proper definition, it is use of statistics, and you are putting it on data and getting the output. What I would like to really tell you today is about, of course, my experiences. I don't have any slides. Pushkar had really great slides. So when I started, we did not have those kind of jobs in those days. The only job we knew about, related to economics was either research or some kind of analysis stuff. But now, if I compare 2017 and the life we are likely to see, almost every job has an application of data science, or you have some kind of data available to you and you want to make use of it. So I would go on that because Pushkar has actually given you a great idea about how you're generating data, big data and all that stuff. But I would just go with just one definition which I have understood, that data science is about data sense. So if you use common sense, you have data with you, you know what the problem is, you would use that data, you would do some kind of analysis and try to deliver the value to the client. That's what I have been doing almost from last 10 years. So I am not an expert in banking, but I have done projects in banking a little bit. I am not a expert on marketing as well. So if I see the titles here, I'm basically trying to relate and give a context to what I should really talk about, because I am. So what, as a youngster or somebody who want to get into data science, what you should know. So I would really like to tell you that a lot of stuff which you might be doing in one way or the other is actually you're doing some kind of data science for sure. Now it might not be very advanced. It might not be very advanced, but very basic stuff. Like somebody asked me, ask him about a question about agriculture, and I'm sorry I was not that attentive, but it has got use in any kind of industry. So again, going back to what